Hi ladies, it's Amos with another styling video. Today is about the vintage Piphany Palazzo pants. Oh yeah, girls, this is so great. These pants retail for $35. They are available in my retail carousel and they are absolutely amazing. This is a nice satiny material. It's a rayon spandex blend and they do not wrinkle, okay? Now a palazzo pant is basically a wide leg pant. They are wide all through the hips, all through the upper thighs, and then they just continue that width all the way down. So of course, most women have most of our weight up here. So these are not constricting. They may be slightly fitted, but they're not constricting on my thigh. But the rest of them is super, super flowy. I'm wearing with a tank top because I want to show you the waist because I'm really in love with the waist right now. The waist is nice and high. There is a seam right here and then it goes on for about another 3 or 4 inches. So I love that because if you like to wear your pants high up or maybe you have a larger belly, maybe you are pregnant, these are gonna totally work to cover your little egg, you know? And then of course, if you want, you can fold them down. Now folding them down, if you're someone who wants to rock them tucked in, you absolutely can do that and have this really nice waist. This will actually act like your belt. I like it because I just like how it kind of makes my top belly and my lower belly just kind of smooth. So then I'm able to just kind of wear a tank top with it. Out of layering pieces, it's gonna be a really dressy piece. Another reason why I love these, they do not wrinkle, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you, I slept in them. I slept in them because I wanted to wrinkle them up and see how it was, and there's not a wrinkle in them. So if you're traveling, if you're going on a cruise, you're someone who's always taking a flight, this is gonna be something that's not gonna wrinkle. And I also think that with the addition of a taller shoe, they're going to be like this, okay, and not drag on the ground. So this is gonna give, because of the straightness of it and the width of it, it actually gives you the illusion of being taller, right, and slender because it's such a straight down cut. It's basically a maxi dress with a slit inside. It's like a maxi dress turned into pants. This is why I love them, because they're so super, super flowy, breathable, great for the summer, great for the winter, okay? Add a blazer with this and you have a very professional, sleek outfit for work. Now, they are a little bit long, I won't lie. I'm 5'9" and barefoot. These are kind of a little bit dragging on the floor. So I think if you're somebody who's petite, you're gonna really need to get some fabric tape. You're gonna need to maybe, you know, cut them and hem them up. They do have a nice seam on the bottom, so it's just a matter of just folding them up. Girls, seriously, if you are petite, it is time for you to talk to your local dry cleaner. They usually have a seamstress on staff, and sometimes quick hem jobs like this are like 12 bucks. Yeah, you know, it could be anywhere from like $8 to $12. It's usually not a lot of money, but you know, to get a pant that really fits you nicely, to have, you know, spend an extra $12, it would be worth it for me, because not to mention with this satiny fabric, they're not gonna fade. Their color's not gonna go away in the washing machine. So this is something that you're investing in for a long time. So it's worth it. And at the $35 price point, you can't go wrong. Remember, every time you order from Piphany, the shipping is free. Love that. Okay, that's my review of these. I think you should get them. Check out my group, shopwithamos.com. Because remember, girls, with me on your side, you're going to rock your closet.